I am on a mission. My mission is to make this special day one that you can never forget. Albeit a birthday, an anniversary, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or just one of those, oh, how I love you days. This is 365. I like to refer to it as my explosion of love. So let me give you a sample of both poems, and then we'll get a sample of the love song, okay? My first one is for her. My wings sent from heaven. Now I can soar, for you are my true love, the one I adore. No more wasted time in pursuit of my lovely, my darling, my beautiful dove. Your eyes tell the story. You were meant just for me. My heart leaps within me. Your love has set me free. And it goes on to a beautiful conclusion. And that was Ladies Before Gentlemen. Now we have My Hero for the lady to sing or say to her loved one. It's called My Hero. When did I last tell you that you are my man? I'm forever in your corner. I'm your number one fan. Like a sharp dagger, your love pierced my heart. One glance in those eyes, and I knew from the start. My mind is made up. I'm simply desperate for you. Since the day I met you, somehow I knew. My heart cries out, you're my hero, my love. Your ways so lovely, like wings of a dove. You're my rudder, my lifeguard in a raging sea. Now you're my hero, my heart sings for thee. Once in a lifetime you were meant just for me, on wings of an eagle sent from heaven to be. Okay, those are two samples of the love songs, along with this song I'm going to give you a sample of. This song, by the way, was by a dear friend of mine given to Jerry Granahan, who was a former bigwig at Paramount Studios. He listened to the love song once in a lifetime, and he called me the next day and said, Billy, that is one of the best love songs I have ever heard. He said, I must have listened to it at least a dozen times. He said, I'm going to turn you on to Bette Midler, and we're going to bring this thing to the market. Well, as fate would have it, Mr. Granahan got very sick and died, so his plans didn't happen. But now here, you can have this, all three, the explosion of love, you can have for $9.95 minimum donation. If you want to give more, I'll try not to be angry. So having said that, move forward, my friends. You won't regret it. Thank you now. Enjoy the song.
Once in a lifetime, someone special comes along, and it seems just like a dream come true. You have made my life complete, and